In this video, I'll show you how to share Android apps to your iPhone. This video is going to be super interesting, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to share any Android apps APK file to your iPhone is super easy. First thing first, simply gonna open up the Play Store from your Android phone and just to open up the App Store from your iPhone. And once you open this up, go ahead and search for local send on your Android phone. And then tap on this one and tap on local send here. I'll already install that application on my Android phone and I'm gonna search for the local send on my iPhone as well. And you'll get to see I have already installed the local send on my iPhone as well. Once you have installed the local send on your both phone, you just need to open this up. And once you're here inside the home page on the local send on your both phone, from my Android phone, you just need to go to the send option at the bottom right here, and he'll get to see the selection options. So he'll get all the options here. So you just need to scroll all the way to the right, and he'll get to see the app section. If I tap on this one, here it's going to show you all the Android apps are available or they installed on your Android phone. So let's say I just want to share one of these. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select the CapCut app, for example. So I'm going to select the CapCut, and he'll get to see the CapCut is selected now. So if I refresh the page, he'll get to see this is my iPhone. So I'm going to tap on this and I'll get a prompt on my iPhone. So I'm going to get accept this request. He'll get to see the CapCut APK file is started sharing here. And once I'm done sharing the app, if I get back from my iPhone and if I get back from here and if I open up the file manager app, so if I open up the files app here and if I go to on my iPhone, so if you're not getting the option, you can go to your iPhone here and go to the local send, and under this one you'll get to see the recent app that we have recently shared from the Android phone. And this is how you can share any APK file from Android to iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.